Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to turn on reading mode in your Redmi 9A. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Redmi 9A, and we all know Redmi 9A there is a reading mode. So you might be decide to turn on reading mode. In order to do that, you need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll down and then you need to click here display. After click over display, scroll down, then we're going to find here something say reading mode. After click over reading mode, if you decide to turn on the reading mode, you can easily turn this on. After turn this on, you can see my phone completely appear reading mode. So this is really quite interesting. So in this way, you can easily enable reading mode in your Redmi 9A. Now you might be decide to turn off reading mode in your Redmi 9A. In order to do that, again you need to click in the phone settings section. After click of the settings section, scroll down and then you're going to find here display. After click over display, scroll down and you're going to find here reading mode. After click over reading mode, you can easily turn this off. So this way you can easily enable or disable reading mode in your Redmi 9A. Also, there is another quick shortcut or useful might be for you. You might be decide let automatically your phone going to be turned on this time to this time automatically reading mode. In order to do that, you can easily turn this schedule and then you can easily choose from this time to that time let your phone going to be turned on reading mode. So this is really quite interesting. So this way you can make here schedule reading mode if you want. Now let me turn this off reading mode. Now you might be decide there is also another quick shortcut way to turn on or off reading mode in your Redmi 9A. In order to do that, you need to swipe up, swipe down just like this, and then we're going to see a screen appear just like this. You need to click right to left, and then we're going to find there something say reading mode. If you click reading mode, your phone going to be appear reading mode. Now if you decide to turn off reading mode, you can again go over there and then you can click here right to left and then you need to click here reading mode, and that's going to be appear the normal mode. So this is how you can easily enable or disable reading mode in your Redmi 9A. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.